Most problems go unreported. The form takes too long. But not with AI issue reporting. Start with a quick voice note. I'm back of house and some strip curtains are torn in front of the walk-in fridge. Probably needs maintenance. Then add photos. AI analyzes the text and pictures. Automatic category selection. Then writes the report, including details it found in the photo that you never mentioned. Not on the app? Scan that QR code. Same experience, no login needed. Works great for contractors and visitors. Any issues you create here won't appear in a real account. Now let's get started with AI issue reporting. In this video, we'll cover reporting an issue with AI and reviewing the AI-generated report and submitting the issue. One thing before we start. The AI uses your issue categories to classify and fill reports. The more descriptive they are, the better the output. Click the link above to learn more and create your own. Ready? Let's report an issue. Head to the app and tap the plus button. Then tap Report Issue. First, describe what you see. Tap the mic and speak naturally. I'm in back of house and some strip curtains are in front of the walk-in fridge. Probably needs some kind of maintenance. Pauses, filler words, rambling, all fine. The AI reads through it. Now add media and attach your photos. I'll attach the photos I already took, but you can capture them in the app too. The AI analyzes your photos alongside your voice to build the report, so add all the photos you have. Tap Continue, and then the AI gets to work. Now let's review and submit the issue. First, the AI selects your category. Then it fills in the title, description, and any custom fields. The AI has our back. We said it was torn. The AI saw the photo and added the exact damage location, how the barrier is failing, and the temperature risk. We didn't mention any of that. Fields it can't confirm, left blank. It won't guess. Review everything and make edits if needed. Then give us a quick thumbs up or down. This helps improve it over time. Set it, snapped it, submitted. Every issue your team spots filled in the time it takes to describe it. With easy access to full details, activity, and files. Still need to set up your categories? Search issue categories in the Help Center or go to the link in the description. Head to help.safetyculture.com